And together with the certificate are character and academic traits award, honest kid award, eager beaver award, and determined kid award. And medals, naturalist award, star reader award.
Hawakan mo muna yung camera daw.
Yan is Kaitea Faith M. The beautiful daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Bunyan, Kaitea dreams to be a pediatrician someday. She is excited with the thought of healing and curing little children just like her. Celeste Chanela. And why I think I made the right decision of sending my daughter for her early education here. Number one, they're teaching the students about God, about Jesus. I feel blessed to have somebody who can help me teach my child about God. As a kindergarten parent, my daughter usually needs to memorize Bible verses, which for me is a best practice because as they hold the child's brain, at the same time they are teaching the most important habit a man should do, that is to love and obey God. Another reasons are, we have a safe environment here, and they are like a family, and the heads are hands-on, especially our assistant principal teacher, Eva. I observed it when my daughter was still in the nursery class. She can recognize almost all of the students, even by their names. All of the teachers are actually like that too. I noticed that they talk to students and bond with them like a family, because they feel like they're just their family members whom they can talk to easily. Thus, students can practice social skills, in which for me is one of the most important skills a person should have in order to be successful in the future. I also see that the students are friendly because their teachers are the best examples for that. This is why I can say that BOAS has a safe environment because they care for each other. There are lots of times I left my daughter's stuff in her classroom, but everything was returned properly because students are well taught about the right thing to do and not to do. Everybody will agree with me that the role of the environment to our children's young minds is so powerful. So as parents, we make sure that we will entrust our children's safety to a second parent or a second family that will ensure their safety not just physically but mentally and emotionally, making us feel secured while we're away doing our own thing. So on behalf of all the parents, we want to say thank you, BOAS family, for all the wonderful experiences, and we're looking forward for more. So, congratulations to all the graduation completers, as well as to us parents, the school boards and teachers who work together for the success of our school. May God bless us all.
Just walk by yourself. Smile lang, smile. Yeah. Ay, pwede na po. O, pwede na. Pwede na.
Benesis kay. Wala, mami. Ang mami, ang mami. Ang mami. Ang mami. Ang mami. Hug mami yan. Want to hug mami?
Pakita mo